Hello everyone, I'm Nadine, owner of NG Platinum Homes, and I'm doing an update video today with this amazing guest house project in Alvin that I'm working on with Tiffany White of Mid-City Design Group. She brought me in on this project to make this guest house for her client. So we made some really good progress here. If you can remember from my first video, it was a empty shell of a steel building. So we did the rough plumbing. We're now in the framing stage. And as you can see over here, we do have some rolling doors. One we are keeping and the other two are going to go away. We have done the framing here and also made the staircase in the second floor, which is going to be a storage for this client. And then if we can move to the back here, I'm going to show you where the kitchen is going to be. So here I'm standing in what will be the kitchen. As I mentioned, it was a rolling door here that was removed. There was also a standard size door here that we also removed to make way for the beautiful European style cabinetry that's going to go in here. We're also going to have a very nice island with a cooktop. And on the other side is where we have the bedrooms and the two bathrooms that we're putting in, and it's going to be an absolutely beautiful design. Tiffany's a very talented designer, and I can't wait to show everybody the finished product. Um, the next thing we're going to be working on is some more of the rough plumbing and then the electrical before we start sheetrock and close up the walls. I do want to show you one more area that the other side of this structure has, and it's going to be a gym. So let's make our way over there. Okay, so on this side of the home, this is going to be the gym. And considering that the homeowner is an athlete, they wanted a very sizable gym space. And again, this rolling door is going to stay put for being able to open this to let the air in during workouts. That's it for the update on this project. Stay tuned for more from this project in Alvin.